Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium. I'm using yarn in two different colors and crochet hook in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot, and then I will chain 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now that we have chained 8, on the last chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now for row 1, right here through this loop I'll make 1 single crochet, then I'll chain 3. Now through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Again I'll chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, then through the same loop I'll make 1 single crochet. And we repeat this until we have 3. So we repeat this until we have 12 3 chain loops. So now that we have 12 3 chain loops, row 2, through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Through this next chain, through this 3 chain loop I'll make a slip stitch, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 3, then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through the next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. Now to finish this row 2, I'll chain 3, and right here through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now for row 3, through this next chain I'll make a slip stitch, then right there through the 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Now I'll chain 3, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. I'll chain 6, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 6, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, then through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 6, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 6, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 6, through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet, and to end this row 3 I'll chain 6. Then through this next single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. Now I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this 3 chain loop I insert my hook, and I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 1, then through that same 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Right here through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 6 double crochet. Chain 3, then through this 3rd chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Through that same 6 chain loop I'll make 6 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. Through this next 6 chain loop I'll make 6 double crochet. I'll chain 3, and through the 3rd chain from the hook I'll make a slip stitch. Now through that same 6 chain loop I'll make 6 double crochet. Now through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 4. To finish this row, right here through this single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, I cut this yarn. I'll just weave these ends in and we'll be done.